Hello, and today we have with the part 2 of, like, whatever. We haven't really named it here, but I played with Justin. If you haven't seen that one, yeah, I got. Did not name that other one part 2. Oh god, I can't believe they actually grew in a row like that. Okay. So, go up here. Oh, and then, yes, I did, last video, if you have seen the one with Justin, I did end a little funky, but, I mean, I was saying, leave a like and subscribe. So, that's pretty much all. And then, yeah, pretty much all. So I guess, hopefully we can get a bed in this episode. Close that. Okay. And then we get this wheat. I'm gonna make a foam actually. Gonna replace it. Just cause we have this wheat, I can do that. There we go. And then oh my god, that doesn't. Oh. Okay, we're just gonna just walk around with some animals. Actually, no, because I have to build a phone first. I'll clear up this area a little. And then I'll probably make it off the water right there. So, make some wood. Oh god. That will be enough, but I'll get all it. Okay. So, let's go right over here. Start. That'll be good. Oh god. That didn't work out so well. Hopefully, yeah. I'll have to go through the night. Okay, just like this. Okay. Just gonna have it about this big. It's not gonna be the biggest thing in the world. Pretty, hopefully big. Like, oh god, I'm having some trouble closing my feet. Oh god, I am not used to going like on the like the unflat surfaces with the, I'm not used to going to the unflat surfaces with the building. I don't know. It's just like I haven't done it. I haven't practiced. Oh my god. I'm just gonna go and get an axe. Because, yeah. Just build a new one. Because that one's being a little annoying. Okay, get that. There we go. There we go. I like steaks. Woo-hoo! Okay. I could go like this. I like steaks. But you know, I just did it, so whatever. It's on peaceful right now, so fine with the time. Fine with the time. Thank God. Good. Just checking because it might get a little dark for you guys. Oh, I was going over the line, but it's fine, I guess. Okay. I can't deal with that. Dang it, boy. Just go as far as I can. I'm going up, I noticed. I really noticed. That was a lot of going up. You know, I really don't like that when I do that. It's really annoying. I say really a lot. Because it's really annoying sometimes. Time. Okay. Good. And the time of the game. Yo, not good on the wood of the wood. Oh, I'm probably gonna be able to finish the platform, but not much else. There, that's. I'll do one more for the platform. If I can get 2 more, yes, 2 more will do the trick. Should I do that just to make it bigger? I'll do it to there. I'll do it to there. I guess I'll get some more wood. And then, okay. Okay. I'm surprised how long it's been. I think 7 minutes. Okay. Let's build over here. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe and leave some support to Dinosaur's channel too. Hopefully, you know, I'm not gonna tell you how to spell it just because I don't know. I don't get it wrong. It's like, yeah. Okay. Oh god. Chopping down trees with a lot of different. It already broke. Oh god. Just use that for 2 seconds. Oh no, I'm pretty sure I just threw it. Yeah, I just threw it. Oh god. Me likes throwing stuff. Whoa. Ew. I thought that apple was a spider's eye. And I was like, it's unpeaceful. It's unpeaceful. I think I can survive. Okay. There we go. And let's build more over there. So that pen thing. It's gonna make it pretty dang big for my animals. Okay, now I'll start making the balls after this one. And then I'll probably just place that, and by the way, I like wood. I love doing that. It's so cool how you can do that. Just like over again, repeat all the throwing. But on the iPad, you have to like, yeah, I normally play on the iPad. Well, actually, not exactly normally, but like I used to, so I'm just moving on to the computer. Pretty doing pretty good for it though. Okay, so we go. Let's do that. Oh, I ran out again. Oh god, this is gonna be pretty nice. Oh god, that's big. I just noticed that. I just, even if it takes, like, I'm just not, I'm just, like, not cutting a tree down with salmon. It just means a lot of fun, even though it doesn't, like, it doesn't die. Like, things can't get rotten. It's kind of weird, you know? Like, I play Minecraft, cool, things don't get rotten, but it's still weird. Like, eh, things should get rotten. There we go. There we go. Hopefully that's good. Let's get some more of that. I don't really know it's built like that. Just pressing, just going down and then. Actually, I should probably make a door in this area so it'll be like easier for them to get in. I don't think it's gonna be very easy if I go through the house and everything. Just break a door here. There. That'll be good. I just need a lot of doors. No, I just need lots of doors. Let's see how much doors I will get right now. Actually, that's pointless. 12 doors. You know, that's still pointless. Well, will it be pointless? Is it? Or is it actually, like, good? Okay, and now I just need to do that. Oh god. I need to do... You know, it's kind of annoying how you have that, because now I have to, like, do doors like... Whoa! That is so wrong! Oh, you know, I'm breaking doors with salmon. Actually, no, I'm not doing that. I'll have to get this thing right. How do I do it? How do I do it? How do I do it? Okay, let's see. So I put down the door like that. Oh my god. No, I don't do that. It's gonna break then. It's gonna eventually break. Oh god. I don't know how to do this. Oh, I know. Wait, I might know. I'll do it from this side. So like that. Oh, look at that door pattern skills. Oh, now I can't do it there though. There's gonna be this open spot. Do you think that's okay? Ooh. You know what I'm gonna do? Just this. Cut down this door. Now I will have a perfect door set. And now I just need to know, yeah, they go to the sides so you can go in. But can't sheep not fit through that? Just like one block? Here, I'll just figure it out. I'm gonna go around and get some naked thingies. Oh, actually, we're really going out of time. So, I guess, yes. I will see you in the next video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. God!